Elite University, the door to your success. Born in 1920, Harbin Institute of Technology, known as the Cradle of Engineers in China, is a member of China's C9 League, a national 985 project university, and a Class A university for the double first class construction. In terms of the ranking of the world's most influential university disciplines and subjects, Harbin Institute of Technology's engineering has ranked 6th in the world in U.S. News and World Report's ranking for 3 consecutive years. After 100 years, Harbin Institute of Technology is well developed and world famous. In 2002, Harbin Institute of Technology and Shenzhen started cooperation, which was praised far and wide. In July 2017, the Ministry of Education approved Shenzhen campus's application to deliver undergraduate education. In November 2017, Harbin Institute of Technology, Shenzhen, was officially established. On the coast of the South China Sea, Harbin Institute of Technology has another campus. Another university has settled in Shenzhen, Guangdong Province, adding to the territory of colleges and universities. Harbin Institute of Technology, Shenzhen, and the main campus deliver education of unified quality, under unified brand, on the premises of adopting unified specifications, unified standards, and unified requirements. The development goal of Harbin Institute of Technology, Shenzhen, is to build a research-based university campus of internationalization, high-tech, high-precision, and specialization, and world-class, and contribute to the construction of Harbin Institute of Technology as a world-class university and the development of higher education, economy, and society in Shenzhen. It has not only the brand advantage and resource advantage of the famous institute, but also the location advantage and innovation advantage of the Special Economic Zone. The century-old famous institute and the pioneer Special Economic Zone will join hands to embrace the future. Fostering integrity, cultivating souls. The predecessor of Harbin Institute of Technology, Shenzhen, is Shenzhen Graduate School of Harbin Institute of Technology, delivering undergraduate education based on postgraduate education. Harbin Institute of Technology, Shenzhen, is one of the new style universities developing in a top-to-bottom fashion in China. At present, it has 10 schools and 4 academies, covering 6 disciplines, namely science, engineering, management, economics, literature, and arts, 24 first-class subjects, and 20 professional degree authorization points. To meet the industrial demand of the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau Greater Bay Area, GBA, Harbin Institute of Technology, Shenzhen, has built 12 clusters of subjects to help in regional technological innovation and industrial development. It fulfills the motto of Harbin Institute of Technology, strictest standard, greatest effort, and adheres to the spirit of Harbin Institute of Technology, patriotism, truth-seeking, unity, and endeavor, fostering integrity and promoting rounded development. In 2016, it enrolled the first batch of undergraduate students relying on the main campus of Harbin Institute of Technology. In 2018, it enrolled undergraduate students with a separate code for the first time. The average enrollment quality ranked 11th among the national double first class construction colleges and universities. It promotes the undergraduate academic tutor system and encourages undergraduate students to enter the laboratory as soon as possible. It is located on the same campus with Peking University and Tsinghua University, sharing the general knowledge courses of 3 famous universities. It adheres to the President Responsibility System under the leadership of the Party Committee, does a good job in socialist education with Chinese characteristics on a down-to-earth basis, and does a good job in education for people's satisfaction. It cultivates socialist constructors and successors with all-round development in morality, intelligence, physique, aesthetics, and labor skills. It constructs a new pattern of full education, the whole process of education, all-round education, and promotes the integration of ideological and political courses, and ideological and political theories teaching in all courses. It gathers the good trend, healthy atmosphere, and positive energy, and remains true to the original aspiration of casting the good soul of the teachers. Effective action with active consideration, reaching afar with steady steps. Famous teachers are the cornerstone of the growth of Harbin Institute of Technology, Shenzhen. Adhering to talent-led development, it has set up a team of full-time and part-time teachers who are master-led, backbone-supported, and well-cultivated for backup development. It possesses nearly 500 full-time teachers, more than 80% of which have overseas study or work experience, and nearly 90% of which are high-level talents recognized by the central government and Shenzhen municipal government. On the list of chief academic advisors, there are not only many Nobel laureates, but also more than 10 academicians of the Chinese Academy of Sciences and the Chinese Academy of Engineering. Training people for profession is the constant pursuit of Harbin Institute of Technology, Shenzhen. Stabilize foundation, strengthen practice, take process seriously, and seek innovation. Adhering to the mature and advanced talent training concept of Harbin Institute of Technology, and relying on the geographical advantages of being adjacent to Hong Kong and Macau, we will continue to provide the country with top-notch innovative talents who are worthy of great responsibilities. Over the past 18 years, it has cultivated 15,000 full-time postgraduate students. The graduates are mainly employed in the Pearl River Delta, Beijing, Tianjin, Shanghai, and other places, with a retention rate of 52%. More than 70% of them work in famous enterprises such as Huawei and Tencent. Scientific research reflects the strength of Harbin Institute of Technology, Shenzhen. It has creatively launched the One Laboratory, Two Areas model to transform the National Key Laboratory of the Institute's main campus into the scientific research advantage of Shenzhen, and the Key Laboratory cluster, including 5 national key laboratories, has been established. It has more than 50 innovation carriers, including provincial and ministerial key laboratories, and has won more than 130 national, provincial, and ministerial science and technology awards. The ability to undertake major national projects has been continuously enhanced, and the annual per capita scientific research funding ranks top among the colleges and universities in China. 2 area-driven, striving for success. In 2019, the outline of the GBA development planning and the opinions on supporting Shenzhen to build a leading demonstration area of socialism with Chinese characteristics were successively released. So Harbin Institute of Technology, Shenzhen, ushered in a major development opportunity of 2-area drive. Based on the Bay Area, it builds an international, innovative, and open higher education system to serve the construction of International Science and Technology Innovation Center. It has established cooperative relations with more than 70 globally famous universities and fully participated in the Global Higher Engineering Education Reform and Innovation Research Project. The International Design Institute, jointly established with the Shenzhen Municipal Government, Zürcher Hochschule der Kunst, and Institute for Advanced Architecture Catalonia, has embarked upon the fast track of construction. It makes a demonstration first and face the main battlefield of national economy to serve the needs of Shenzhen's economic and social development. It actively coordinates the planning of Shenzhen-Hong Kong Science and Technology Innovation Cooperation Zone, Guangming Science City, and Healy Lake International Science and Education Town. It introduces many full-time academicians to create an international-level, high-end innovation platform. It strives to be a world-class institute in the next 100 years on the basis of the solid achievements made in the past 100 years. With the development of the construction of Harbin Institute of Technology as a double first-class university, Harbin Institute of Technology, Shenzhen, has been empowered by the century-old famous institute and taken the east wind of the two-area drive to strive to build a pilot field for higher education reform, a bridgehead for high-end talents, and a demonstration area for international education. As soon as the rock flies with the wind, it can soar high and far. The starting point is the joint efforts of the famous institute and the famous city. The growth is the continuous cultivation in speed and quality. The future is a wonderful chapter of two areas plus world class. Harbin Institute of Technology, Shenzhen, is setting sail as a new force.